Hello everybody, it's Claire here from Sewn by Claire, and today I wanted to talk to you about the sailing anorak, which is the outfit that I've purchased for Ottoline, the Otter, and it's this one here on the front cover of Lunar Lapin, A Year of Making. So that's Ottoline there in her lovely pink sailing anorak there. I want to say thank you to Pauline Barrington and also to Tracy, who are two of my subscribers who have sponsored the purchase of the kit, and therefore will have also sponsored the resulting tutorial, because I will be doing a sew along for this kit here. So I just wanted to open this up for you. So as you can see, as today's date, which is in May 2023, the price is £6 for this kit. And this is the remake kit, because you will need to have the bulk in order to have the pattern in, which is included in the bulk, or you will need to buy a make me kit, which will then have the pattern included in with it. Try and do this quickly. And so in this kit we have got a piece of cord, and that's the cord that goes around Luna's waist here, that drawstring cord there. We've also got the little short pink zip here, and the zip is from the teeth down to the bottom of the zip. That's a 4-inch zip, so that's in a coordinating colour for the fabric as well. And then this is I believe it's a waxed cotton, so it's got that like slightly rubbery feel to it. Hopefully these marks here will iron out. We'll have a look at that when we do the ironing for the pattern. And I will be careful with when I'm ironing this as well, just to make, I'll probably put a cover or a tea towel underneath my ironing board, so none of the wax cover actually comes across. But there's some quite obvious lines on there, so I'm hoping that they will come out, which you can see on the screen there. So that's quite a large piece of fabric there, which measures in inches. It's 18.5 inches, which is 47 centimetres, by just under 19 inches, which is 48 centimetres. So that's that lovely piece there. Now I'm going to have a look and see how this works as well, because I'll probably use my walking foot whilst I'm sewing with this fabric, but also I think if you've got a Teflon foot, you might want to use that as well. That's another option that might work quite well with this kind of fabric. I'm not sure how it's going to sew. I've not sewn with waxed canvas before, so we'll have a go at that and see how that is. Let's have a look at this piece of cord and see how long that is for you. So that is 67 centimetres long. So that's everything that's in the kit. And then if you look into your book, Lunar Lapin, in A Year in the Making, and the anorak is shown there on Ottoline, and also the instructions are available in here for how to make that and put that all together. But as I say, I will be doing a sew along as well for those people who are visual learners or who just prefer to see somebody sewing it through. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick look at the kit for the sailing anorak. And as again, my thanks to Pauline Barrington and to Tracy for sponsoring the purchase of this kit. Have a great day everybody. Happy sewing. Bye.